Doamnelor și domnilor, un mesaj de susținere și promovare a aspirației noastre de aderare la Uniunea Europeană vine și președintele Parlamentului European, doamna Roberta METSOLA.
Dragi cetățeni ai Republicii Moldova, dragi europeni, I am so proud to be with you today before this massive crowd of people who believe in a European future for Moldova. I came here today to stand with you and with Maia SANDU to bring one message to you. Europa este Moldova, Moldova este Europa. We are here to confirm your European choice, to support your choice to join the European Union as a member state, to underline that your rights deserve the same protection that EU membership offers to all other citizens of our Union. For young people in Moldova to have the same access to opportunities that my children have. For young women like Virginie, who I last night in Chișinău, who wants the same chances to reach her potential as everyone else in Europe. Europe is your family, and it is your right to choose the destiny of your country. And that you choose Europe, and Europe will welcome you with open arms and open hearts. There are no big and no small powers in Europe. We believe in opportunity for all, in equality and in freedom. This is about the both of us. You will bring a piece of Moldova to Europe, and you will make Europe stronger. We believe in the same values. We share the same outlook, and our future is one that will be shared. Together, we can face anything. Because Moldova... Thank you. Thank you. Because Moldova is part of our European family, and this family will always be with you. Moldova is not alone. Moldova nu este singură. I am honored to stand here with Maia SANDU. as a woman who personifies what it means to be European, a leader who inspires, a president who has the courage to change the course of history in Moldova and who will change the face of Europe. And, Madam President, Maia, Madam President, I want to be standing right next to you when your great country officially opens accession negotiations, hopefully even this year. Dear friends, we are living in times of instability. Yet you can be proud of the fact that those who sought to destabilize your country have been unsuccessful. Moldova stands proud despite the threats and the intimidation. The world saw your courage as you defied Russian threats, as you choose democracy over autocracy, freedom over fear, as you held steady. Freedom. Freedom. The world witnessed your extraordinary generosity with the people of Ukraine. You open up your homes and your hearts to thousands of children, women, and men seeking refugees, and supported hundreds of thousands transiting through your country. It was also your country and your people who sent truckloads of humanitarian aid to Ukraine, that operationalized solidarity lanes for grain and fuel transit to feed hungry people and heat chilling homes. And you did this because you believe in our common values and in the principle of European solidarity. Solidarity. Solidaritate. I'm learning Romanian now. Because you understand that having someone to turn to rely on, to trust in, is what being European is all about. Those are the values that we share and we defend. And this is why, in these difficult times, the European Parliament has continuously expressed its support towards the independence, sovereignty, and territorial integrity of the Republic of Moldova. We have condemned all attempts at destabilization, including the political weaponization of energy, disinformation campaigns, repeated violations of airspace, and the brutal threat of force against your country. Since October 2021, the European Union has provided more than 1 billion euros, that is around 20 billion Moldovan leu, in financial assistance to the Republic of Moldova, to strengthen its resilience, to sustain you who found themselves in economic difficulty, to support reform efforts in view of prospective European Union membership. And I give you my commitment here We will support you on this journey for as long and for as much as it is needed. Moldova, the world knows your people as peaceful, democratic, and free. Free to express your hopes, your wishes, your expectations. Free to determine your country's fate. You have chosen Europe, and now you have a right and a responsibility to see this through. Over the past years, you have undertaken decisive steps to reform. Even in these challenging times of an illegal war on your borders, your commitment, President Maia Sandu's commitment to Moldova's European course has never veered off track. In the European Parliament, we recognize the great efforts your country has made to implement the European Commission's 9 steps for reform and to align itself with the EU acquis. Moldova is already ready for deeper integration in the EU single market. You are ready to integrate for strengthened cooperation in digitalization and telecommunications. And throughout this process, let me assure you that you will always find a true friend and ally in the European Parliament. Some of my colleagues are over here today. We are proud. We are proud to be your greatest supporter for EU accession, because we understand and believe in the transformative power that EU enlargement brings. We know what it means to you, and you proved it by being here today. And so, as you are gathered here today on this momentous day, to send a pro-European message to the international community, I leave you with the European Parliament's response. Keep going. Hold steady. Moldova is not alone. Moldova nu este singură. Thank you for believing. Thank you. We will not let you down. Thank you.